Hello everyone, welcome back to indiancoding.com. Today we are going to study about if and else. Okay, so on screen you can see that I have given you one condition here, that is a equal to 200, b is equal to 33. If b is greater than a, then print b is greater than a. Else if a is equal to b, print a and b are equal, else a is greater than b. So these are the few kind of condition that are available. What is the meaning of this? So on screen you can see that I have mentioned the first condition, second condition and the third condition. These are the different kind of condition that are available. Okay. So we need to work on this condition only. Okay. So inside that I have mentioned the three kind of condition. Once I will run this condition, you will get the value based on this. So on screen you can see that I have run this particular value and I got the true and false. The first is uh, okay, that was not value. Okay, the right condition A is greater than B. So here A is greater than B we got because that condition is true. Now I am writing 33 and 33 for both the values. So let me check which one I am going to get. So on screen you can see that I got the A and B are equal. So that is how this condition works. So I hope you understood how to work on. So let me run this one also. So I got the first option. So this is how it works. So that's all for today's class. Tomorrow we'll study about new features. Thank you so much.